Once upon a time, in a vast green meadow, there lived a tiny firefly named Lumo. Unlike the other fireflies, Lumo was afraid of the dark. While his friends loved flying at night, lighting up the sky, Lumo always stayed close to his home under a big leaf. One evening, a wise old owl named Orin noticed Lumo sitting alone. "Why don't you join your friends, little one?" Orin asked. "I'm scared of the dark," Lumo admitted. "It feels big and scary, and I don't know what's out there." Orin smiled and said, "But you have a gift, Lumo. Your light shines brightest in the dark." Lumo never thought of it that way. He decided to try something new. Slowly, he flew away from his leaf, taking small glows here and there. The night was indeed dark, but with each flicker of his tiny light, the path ahead became clearer. As he flew further, he heard a little cricket crying. Lumo fluttered closer and saw that the cricket was lost. "I can't find my way home," the cricket sobbed. Lumo took a deep breath. "Don't worry, I'll help you." With his tiny light, Lumo guided the cricket through the grass, over tiny stones, and past the pond until they reached the cricket's home. The grateful cricket smiled and said, "Thank you, Lumo. Your light saved me." For the first time, Lumo felt proud. The dark was no longer scary. It was where his light could help others. From that night on, Lumo became the bravest firefly, lighting the way for anyone in need. Moral of the story: even when something seems scary, you have a unique light inside you. Be brave, and you'll discover that your greatest strength shines in the darkest moments.